Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here. This is the channel where you can find tons of different recipes, skincare tips, and great information about health, overall beauty, overall well-being. In this video today, we're talking about one of the essential oils that I have received because of my Oil of the Month subscription to Plant Therapy. So I have done my research, and this oil turned out to be really pricey. So it's the Damiana Essential Oil. I have a very tiny bottle here, and I'm sure you can see it. Hello, can you find this? Well, yeah, so I have it. It's a yellow bottle. You can see that. So the country of origin of this oil is Mexico, and they are using this plant even to make some of the drinks, something they really drink on a regular basis. I'm not really sure what that is. And the method of making this oil is steam distilled, if there is any interest of yours. It's a small, actually, flower. It's very beautiful. I'm going to put the picture so you could take a look at that. And it does have really lots of different therapeutic purposes. The three most valuable, maybe, or common uses would be aphrodisiac. You could use it to make your own perfume, and also it provides the calming, soothing properties. As far as the aroma, I think this aroma is something that you want to really keep smelling to even understand what it really smells like. It's a mysterious aroma, but that's for me. Everybody's nose is different, so for you that might be a little bit more sweety, for some other person it would be with more earthy undertones, or for me it's just really sweet and fruity, but with some hint of mystery, let's call it this way. So as I already said, emotionally, Damiana Essential Oil will be relaxing, uplifting, and balancing, so it's like all the three at the same time. It really has some complex aromas, I've already said, and chemical makeup. It will softly energize you while relaxing simultaneously. It really the oil that will help you to reduce, say, feelings of anxiety and even depression. So one of the other uses that I really love to use it for is a digestive upset. So it could help you with, stomach issues, and you could just mix it with carrier oil and just make the abdomen massage. That's pretty much how you would use it. And again, because of this calming and soothing effect, so it will kind of calm you down. And also sometimes you might have some digestive upset, again because of the nerves and anxiety, so it's kind of going to cover you from both fronts. As far as blending, it would also blend very well with woody, fruity, even citrus aromas, and you could use it in a personal inhaler, of course, or you could use it in a diffuser. You could mix it with carrier oils and prepare either just relaxing or soothing massage, some aphrodisiac oil. You could use 5 drops each, neroli and Damiana, and also add about 2 drops of lavender, and that would be your recipe for the aphrodisiac oil. For calming down, you could use 10 drops Damiana, 10 drops bergamot, and you could add a few drops of lavender too. But Damiana alone could be really perfect, because sometimes especially if you're new into aromatherapy, you do not really want to invest too much money and buy too many oils, especially the oils with the same sort of benefits. Say like lavender is also soothing and relaxing, but it's completely different. And because every person is unique, you will obviously find that something works a lot better for you, let alone you will love the smell better. And Damiana, as I've already mentioned, it's not the cheapest oil out there. So obviously my honest advice would be just to go ahead and start with the oils that are a little bit more affordable. I should also mention that the topical dilution will be at 1%. Somewhere you can find that it's advised to use it dilution 1%, but Plant Therapy, it goes from 1 to 2%. Of course, you could also add it to your bath. You could add it to any skincare products like body massage oils or maybe some solid formulas. And as with everything, there is always a word of caution with essential oils. When you're working with essential oils, you're mixing them up, maybe making some skincare recipe, always make sure that your area is very well ventilated. Just make sure you don't have kids around when you're working with essential oils. Damiana oil is not considered kid safe. If you're under doctor's care, if you're pregnant or nursing, you definitely need to consult the doctor prior to sort of bringing in something new. And if you develop any sensitivity, you do need to stop using it, discontinue using it right away. Never use essential oils undiluted on skin and avoid contact with eyes. Do not use essential oils internally. Even I would say even the best brands out there, well, I'm not really an aromatherapist, so I'm not going to really dive deep in there, but I personally do not use essential oils internally, and I would do so only under the supervision of, a certified aromatherapist or a doctor. So I believe, guys, this is also, at least now you know that Damiana Essential Oil, first of all, does exist, and second of all, it does have great therapeutic properties that you could definitely go ahead and give it a try and see just how your body, your chemistry works well with this particular essential oil. In my next video, I will be covering the black pepper essential oil, so stay tuned. Wish you all the best. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my email list. You can find the details in the description right down below this video. Put a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.